So there are a lot of similarities when you're looking at tech businesses and brick and mortar businesses, or you might have heard people say mom and pop on that, and even online marketplaces or businesses. So similarities, you definitely need to plan. You need to make sure that you're working through what that customer segment, that target market looks like, who your team is going to consist of, what those financial projections look like. The capital requirements for a lot of the tech businesses, because they're heavy on research and development, and that technological innovation can be a lot greater. It definitely requires access to a tremendous amount of capital usually. Putting all of that together and putting all of the players in place isn't a cheap endeavor most of the time. So that can differ somewhat from a brick and mortar, let's say a restaurant or a boutique, a coffee shop, whatever that might be. And the time frame to market can be substantially lengthened for a tech business. So if you want to open a restaurant, you can get everything together, brick and mortar building, health department, inspections, all of the equipment. You could probably do that in 2 to 3 months if everything went smoothly. You may not be able to come up with a technological innovation or move forward with a technological innovation in that 2 to 3 month time frame. It may be 12 months, it may be 18 months. So that longer runway to get that product or service to market definitely impacts the capital needs of tech businesses.